Hi there, welcome to this tutorial for the ukulele play-alongs of Build Me Up Buttercup that can be found on the UkePlayAlongs channel on YouTube. What we're going to do in this video is first of all look at the chords you need for GCEA soprano concert tenor ukulele, then we'll look at the chords you need for baritone DGBE ukulele, and then we'll talk a little bit about strumming. If you want to support the work on this channel, there are three things you can do. First of all, you can like this video. Second, you can subscribe to both of my channels, the UkePlayAlongs channel and the UkeStuff channel. And third, you can always buy me a cup of coffee to say thank you for making this content at www.buymeacoffee.com/UkeStuff. All right, let's begin with the chords you need for GCEA soprano concert or tenor ukulele. First of all, you need the C chord, then an E7 chord. I rotate my wrist out a little bit if you noticed. F chord, G7 chord, C7 chord. Now, an F minor, a lot of people get sort of flipped out about F minor, but if you know the D7 chord, right? That's what we call Hawaiian D7, where it's just two fingers. Well, just slide that up one fret, and then add your pinky to the first string, third fret. F minor is not that bad. Then a G chord, an E minor chord. I call this a waterfall chord. First finger goes on the first string, second fret, and the other two just waterfall down, and you don't have to put any finger down on the fourth string. You can if you want to, but generally, especially on re-entrant GCA, that works just fine. An A7 chord, a D minor. Some people get a little frazzled by D minor. It's an F chord with another finger. A D chord. This one causes some issues, and I believe it only happens at the end of the song. Build Me Up Buttercup is kind of weird. It has one key for the whole song until the actual outro, and then it raises up, which is kind of crazy by a whole step. So that's where the D, I believe, is going to come in. What you're going to do is your choice. You can put your first finger at the top of the third string, second fret, and the other two fingers around it. You can put fingers 1, 2, and 3 in a row, fingers 2, 3, and 4 in a row. You can cover strings 4 and 3 with one finger and string 2 with the second finger, or you can bend your ring finger to play strings 4, 3, and 2, but leave the first string open, like that. Just please don't play it with your thumb, like that. Then we have a D7 that we've already talked about earlier when we were talking about the F minor chord, and then finally a G minor chord. And those are the chords you need to play Build Me Up Buttercup on GCEA soprano concert tenor ukulele. Now let's talk about baritone ukulele. All right, on baritone, let's go through the chords. You'll need a C chord, an E7 chord, an F chord, which is a partial bar chord. Take your first finger, cover strings 1 and 2 right above the middle fret, pull against the fretboard. Pull. Okay, that's a secret. Add your thumb, and then add 2 fingers to it. While pulling against the fretboard, do not pinch. Pinch is not going to work very well. There we go. G7 chord, C7 chord. Again, can be a struggle for some people. Play the C chord, and then add 2 fingers to it. An F minor chord, this is going to be a true bar chord. First finger goes across all 4 strings. Pull against that fretboard again. Now, if you're getting some buzzing, that's where you add your thumb, and you should add your thumb to help you. All right, and then with your ring finger, play the 4th string. That would be the 3rd fret. Then a G chord, an E minor chord, an A7 chord. Now, you're going to use that same bar chord, but do the bar at the 2nd fret, above the middle 2nd fret, pull against the fretboard. Add your thumb for some support, so you're pulling. Then the 2nd finger plays the 1st string, 3rd fret. A D minor chord, a D chord. Now this gets weird. The D is only used at the end of the song because this song, for some reason, stays in the same key until you get to the final outro, and then it raises up by a whole step. And it only does it until it fades out. It's crazy, but that's what this song does. So you've got your D chord, you've got a D7 chord, and then a G minor chord. It's another bar chord. People don't get as stressed out about this one. You cover strings 3, 2, and 1 right at the 3rd fret, pull against the fretboard, add your thumb for some support, and that's your G minor chord. And those are the chords you need to play Build Me Up Buttercup on baritone DGBE ukulele. Now let's talk about strumming. Now as it comes to strumming, please remember there was no ukulele in the original version of this song. So there's not one single right answer. There are 3 rules to strumming. First of all, play the right chord at the right time. Second, keep a steady beat, keep a steady tempo. And third, make sure that whatever you are playing matches the style of the music. So let's begin. First of all, there's actually a little optional tablature here. So you can either wait for the song proper to start or you can play the tablature. So on GCA, here's what you're going to do if you want to play the tablature. You're going to play the third string open, second string open, second string first fret, third fret on the second string. It's going to sound like this. Do you have to do that? No, but if you want to, you can. Let's take a look at that on baritone really quickly as well. Now, baritone has different tuning than GCA, so that's why this is different. You play the second string first fret, first string open, first string first fret, first string third fret. The whole thing is going to sound like this. Now, do you have to play it? Again, no. All right, let's go back to the actual strumming. Now, there is not one single strum pattern that's going to work 100% of the time in the whole song. You're going to have to use your ear a little bit and sort of sort things out of what you might want to do. You might have to play it through a few times and get a sense for that. But in general, the island strum is going to work for most of the song. And I'll show you that. Again, that would be down, down, up, up, down, up, down, down, up, up, down, up, down, down, up, up, down, up, down, down, up, up, down, up. And again, my hand is never stopping. Down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. And that's the sort of thing you can do just walking around too. People look at you a little funny if you're out in public, but just by yourself, down, down, up, down, up, and thinking about when you're hitting the strings and when you're not. But with that faster tempo, it's going to be like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Down, down, up, down, up. 1, 2, 3, 4. And there are occasional spots where you'll need to stop. There might be some other spots where you want to do something different. But that island strum could be a chorus strum that would match the style of music, that would help you keep a steady tempo. And of course, you just have to be then playing the right chords at the right time. So with that large selection of chords and that picking and that strumming, that's all you need to do to be successful on Build Me Up Buttercup. I hope you're having a great day, and I'll be back soon with some more Uke stuff for you.